In this video, I will show you how to create help desk ticket types in Odoo. So from the help desk overview page, we will go to configuration and then types. Now over here, as you can see, we've already created a couple of examples, such as general request, breakdown, preventative maintenance, etc. To create a new help desk type, you will just need to click on the new button and just type in the help desk type. Help desk type, for example, you type in general question and then click save. Now, if you go to tickets and then click on all tickets, whenever you create a new ticket, you can just select the type from the list, or if you need to add a new ticket type on the fly, you can just type it in. So let's say you need to add technical issue. And as you can see, there is an option for you to click create. So that was just a quick demonstration on how to create a help desk ticket type. And in our next video, we'll show you how to create ticket stages. If you have any questions or clarifications about this, please let us know. Thank you.